This is the Torras AirVolt 10,000 milliampere magnetic portable power bank. I was set this to review, so let me show you a closer look because this thing is amazing. Uniform kind of silver look. A really nice, compact, small, lightweight power bank, but it is 10,000 milliamperes. In case you don't have a power bank yet, 10,000 milliamperes is amazing. It's kind of the best size in my opinion. They do make 5,000 milliamperes, but they just don't have enough juice to give you multiple charges. And the 20,000 ones are just really fat and heavy. So this kind is my favorite, and I love that these are attached. The 10,000 is gonna charge your phone 2 to 3 times. Amazing. It has 2 attached cords, so you don't have to worry about losing them. Magnetically attached there. So cord management included. Really, really nice. Gonna just go in your backpack, in your glove compartment, in your purse, in your pocket, wherever you need it when you're traveling and out and about. You don't have to worry about running out of power on your phone when you are traveling. These are both USB-C, so if you have a super old iPhone 14 or earlier kind of thing, you're gonna have to use a dongle. Also not included is a wall plug, so when you have to charge this up, you'll need to use something that accepts the USB-C or provide your own wall plug or dongle, whatever. So just keep that in mind. But this is awesome. It is magnetic, so it's going to snap onto the back of your phone. This is it with my iPhone 14 Pro. So that's how it's gonna fit a regular size phone. So it's not going to be interfering with your cameras. You could still use those while you're charging. You could still be taking pictures and videos and chatting, watching movies. There is an extra slot here as well if you provide your own cord. Then you could have a total of 3 things charging from here at once. You just turn it on here. You could see right here how much battery you have left. And then when you're charging it, you have a flashing going on to show where your power's at and that it's actually charging. I love that the cords are attached. It gives you 22.5 watts, super fast charging, and doesn't overheat like some that I've used. It stays cool thanks to this special technology they use. Torras makes amazing products. I love them and I love this one, and I know you will too.